see what I do inside of my business because they literally think that it's very simple. Like, all right, I point, I shoot, I wash cars, and washing cars is easy. Man, I really get in these rims and I get that brush and I rub that thing like that. And I make that thing shining like that. Guess what? We come there and we will watch you wash a car, and we will record it, and we will let
That's
you
what I
tell
was getting
folks.
to. That's the commercial.
I know, but guess what? When you get pissed off at me for interrupting you, it's turn on, turn up.
Focus.
Okay, but
this is why working with your significant other,
yes,
is a task.
Yeah. So, quick
But
question.
yes,